I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real.
Just had my exhaust done, got the sounds deleted now. I've got two packages, they're both for the garage. One of them is a banner, a big Seat banner, and the other one should be hooks, I think. So I need to take those to the garage and put the banner on the wall, fully charge the drill so I can take that as well, and probably get lunch at some point as well. But let's film the, it won't be a cold start because I've literally just been out in it like 20 minutes ago, so it's not going to be cold, but you'll still get to hear what it sounds like, I guess. Yeah, let's put all this in the car and listen to it. Right, so I just quickly stopped at Mackey's. We've got 14 minutes to go before we get to the garage. I'm not going to eat it here, I'll just eat it at the garage, I might as well. So yeah, I'm just going to keep going.
Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart, yeah.
I think this is just screws, like I said earlier. Yeah. A bunch of hooks. This should be a banner. Got the banner set up. Got my all number plates there. One's there. Just need some sort of worktop bench. My dad gave me a vise, which I need to respray red because it's kind of rusty. But I can use that on the bench. It's like a bolt into the bench job. As you can see. I'm waiting for some shelf hooks and we're going to get a shelf all along the back. And the bench is going to come out to about here so that I can put the chair in the corner where I'm not using it. But yeah, I think that's all I came to do. I also, the other day, I came through and bought a jack off someone, off Gumtree. It's a 2-ton jack, the other one was a tenner for it, and I just picked that up. So I realised I didn't really do an outro for this video, so thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment and share, and I'll do more videos like this very soon when I'm getting some more stuff for the garage and when I'm doing more stuff with the car. I have decided the project car that I want is going to be a Mark V Fiesta. So that is an older style Fiesta, but I actually quite like the look of them. There'll be a picture on screen now of sort of a modified version, a modified example of one. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.